In the mid-19th century, hundreds of thousands of people traveled west on the Oregon Trail. Only around 3% of these settlers were Black. Among them was Letitia Carson. Letitia traveled from Missouri to the Oregon Territory with a white man named David Carson in 1845. Little evidence exists about their relationship, except that they had 2 children. They claimed farmland, built a homestead, herded cattle, and raised their family. David unexpectedly died in 1852, but he did not leave a will. The administrator in charge of managing David's estate decided that Letitia and the children would not inherit his property. Furious, Letitia took her case to court, saying David had told her that she would be his heir if she agreed to live and work with him. Letitia's testimony about her life with David was persuasive, and the jury of all white men ruled in her favor. She was granted just a fraction of the money she'd hoped for. Nevertheless, it was a groundbreaking victory for a Black woman in Oregon, a territory which, at the time, restricted the rights of all Black people. Letitia used the settlement money to rebuild her life. Meanwhile, Congress passed the Homestead Act of 1862. It allowed settlers to claim up to 160 acres of publicly held land, virtually free of charge. Letitia filed a claim, and in 1869, it was certified. She was the only Black woman in Oregon to successfully receive land through the Homestead Act. By 1870, Letitia had built a stable and prosperous life, something that eluded many other settlers. She lived on her homestead until her death in 1888. How did Letitia Carson defy the odds as a Black woman in the West?